Hello and welcome to English Bites. In this video, we are discussing the word vexation. Vexation has 3 syllables and its pronunciation is same in British and American English. We pronounce it as vexation, vexation, vexation. Vexation means feeling annoyed, frustrated, or bothered by something. It's the state of being upset or irritated by a situation or a person. The example sentences of vexation are: Number 1. Long traffic jams can cause vexation for drivers. Number 2. The noise from the construction site became a vexation to the neighbors. Synonyms of vexation are irritation, bother, upset. The antonyms are delight, comfort, joy. The word vexation is a noun. It's not a verb, so it doesn't have forms. Common preposition used with this word is of, and the other prepositions are at and with. Thanks for watching.